All right, guys. So now today, So today we are actually we came out today. We went to the swimming pool, guys. We are on a swimming pool. My kids are swimming. That's where they are. My children are swimming. We're in a swimming pool, guys, in a high deck, floor number 33. Such a beautiful place to be. Nice pool, well looked after. You know, everything is good. As you can see there, my kids are swimming. My son and my daughter, they are now swimming. They found themselves a friend today, right? But this is just a Bangkok, guys. Bangkok is such a beautiful place. We've got another one there trying to learn to swim, right? Another one there trying to swim, learning to swim. See my boy there is swimming, and my daughter there is swimming as well. She's learning how to swim. You know, it's always good. Take your children out, guys. Take your children out. Sometimes once a year, once a year. You don't need much. Once a year, it's very important. We left South Africa. We came to Bangkok because we wanted to make sure that we are okay on our vacation. From here, we are going to another country, right? And from that particular country, I don't want to mention them, but you'll see when I get there, right? From that particular country, we are going to another country as well, right? So this is how it is, guys. So like I said to you, sometimes travel, guys. Go out. As you can see here, right? We are actually in a higher building, right? We can see there, it's on the floor down there. You see how tall this building is? But we are on top of it, right? We are about 3, 4 floors or 5 floors. I'll say 5 or 6 floors from that building to where we are, right? So the place is such a wonderful place, guys. Such a wonderful place. You can bring your family here. It's such a very big place, very good place. Such a very good place. You can come and enjoy yourselves with your family and so forth. Take some videos and all those type of things, right? So it's such a nice, wonderful place. Bangkok is big, guys. Bangkok is very big. Let me just zoom it a bit so you guys can see the city. Let me zoom it a bit so you can see the city, right? So that's how it is. There's a train passing. There's a sky train, right? There are trains, goes on top. They are not on the ground. There are those ground ones. I think when we came here, we're on a ground train, underground train. So they've got sky trains and as well as the ground train, underground train, right? So you can see. So I just zoomed it for you guys to see how beautiful this place is. I just zoomed it so you can see. You must see at night, guys, at night. But I think I should come here at night so I can take a glimpse, take a video so you guys can see how beautiful this place is, right? So let me quickly go to the other section of the place so I can show you guys how beautiful this place is. Such a wonderful place. Beautiful. Guys, you don't want to go to the room? Eh? Mommy said I must come with you. Are you still enjoying? You want to stay here? Okay, how's the water? Is it warm? Okay, all right, no problem. So, it seems I'm going to leave them here because they are still enjoying themselves. That's how it is. I will leave them here, guys. It is good. No. Bye, my baby. Bye. Don't drown, eh? You know how to swim already. She knows how to swim. Backwards. Hey, these kids. Yeah. So you don't have to worry, you see. They cannot drown. It's such a big pool. A very deep pool, but you know, they are able to swim. You see, she's able to do backwards swim. That's nice. Kapunka! You say Kapunka! Yeah, madam! Hi, madam! Don't swallow the water. Hi, madam!
Okay, bye!
Okay, Shama, baby, bye-bye. I'm going. I'm going. Right. So, yeah, you can see the excitement, you know. And this is also another one for small kids. If you've got a small kids, you can bring your kids here. Just for them to be able to come and have a quality time here. So this is another side of Bangkok, guys. This is another side of Bangkok. It's such a beautiful place. Another side of Bangkok, like I said to you guys. So it is such a wonderful place to be, guys. It's big. This place is big, guys. Big. As you can see there. All right. We are on a higher floor. All right. Let me just zoom it a bit so you can see. We're in a higher floor. You know, all these buildings are very high, but we're on top, as you can see there. All right, we are on top. This is the see the cars are passing. Let me just zoom it. Cars are passing. Yeah, that's how it is, guys. So, you know, so such a wonderful place, guys. So I'm gonna have to leave you guys. I'm gonna quickly leave them and go up. Hey, Jake. Hey, Jake, I put your phone on the back, inside the bag. All right, so because I covered the phone I put it on the bag because of you guys are splashing water, so the phones mustn't get wet. All right, guys. So I'm gonna go up, you know, just for them to. I'm gonna go up so I can show you guys, you know, this beautiful place. Beautiful place. All right, I'll go up, guys, to our room. Right, I'll go to our room. So we're going. I'm going to our room now. Right, so the kids don't want to go. They said no. Let me actually see. I think here it's a sauna. All right, this is the sauna area, guys. Sauna area. You can actually come and have some time. Sauna area. Let me see how beautiful it is. Where is the sauna area? All right. These are the bathrooms. After swimming, you can come. And there's also a jacuzzi here, you know. I think I must come and soak myself into this jacuzzi. You know, see, you've got a beautiful jacuzzi there. Beautiful jacuzzi there. I should come with my wife and sit here and soak ourselves, you know. You know, this is another area. So you can see here. Yeah, there's another section. It's too high. Yes. It's too high. This is another section so you can see properly, you know. You can see properly. You know how beautiful these buildings are. Look at how beautiful the buildings are. Look how beautiful they are. Yo, look, quickly take off my hand. Look how beautiful the buildings are, right? I just zoomed them. Beautiful how beautiful the buildings are, guys. Beautiful. Yeah, so I think I need to come with my wife so we can have a nice sit and have a nice jacuzzi here and put some water, you know. So after here you go out. I think that's for men. I'm not sure if it's for men or women. There's also toilets there. And there's also another section here where you can sit and relax with your wife, your family. So this is another section also, you know, where you can see Bangkok as well. All right. Oh, this is where the sauna is. Yo, it's too dark, guys. It's too dark. Oh, that's also, I think this is for women. Huh? This is another jacuzzi for women. Another one. Yeah, this is for women. I think that side is for men. Yeah, so men, this is for women. All right. I'm not even supposed to be here, but I'm not even supposed to be here. But anyway, let me go. Yeah, so you can see. There's another section. You can see there's another section. Another section. All right, so now here I'm entering, guys. This is our apartment.